Lockout, literally round the corner from my house. Left the key on the inside. So probably a latch tool job. Oh, it's literally on the back of me. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, didn't realise it was literally there. Okay. I could have walked it. Of course, ages ago since I did a job for them. Right. Oh, yes. Oh, some new people moved in. Front sticking out so I can get out of the van. Right. You right there? How you doing? God, whose fault is it? Look at each other. Right, was it number? This one here, isn't it? 15. Right, I should be able to open the door in seconds. That's the cylinder up in. There you go. All done. It's all done. It's all about having the right tools for the job. Because if you don't double lock it, it's easy to get in. If you double locked it, lift the hand up and turn the key, I can't do what I just did. That's why it's always important when you go out, lift the hand up and lock it. Otherwise it's not really locked. Sorry? £90. Yeah. Oh, you got my details too? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, then, brilliant. All right, then, well, you take care. Hope your day goes a bit better. Oh, and by the way, did you have a look at the football? Did you have a look at the football thing around the corner? You did go down the alleyway? Yeah? See you later then. That's what it's like when and now my oil's jumped right down. I've got a problem with this van. That's saying check engine. So I think I do have a problem with the oil pump in my van. Did that say I've got no oil yesterday? He said I'd loads of oil. Ah. That's it. Here we go. And it's bloody cold. Who wants to go out when it's this cold? Not me, that's for sure. They're a nice couple. They just moved into the area. I did their locks for them, changed their locks for them when they moved in. It's nice that they've kept my number. Obviously they appreciated the job I did for them. And yeah, happy days. Why is my internal light still on? I have no idea. Right then. Right, till the next one.